Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is NumPy Array Iterating in Python. We will see nditer function. We will modify the array. We will see external loop, broadcasting iteration. So I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed. Before getting started with anything, you have to install NumPy library on the machine. You have to type in one command pip install NumPy either on the command prompt of the physical location of the project, or you can type this command on terminal also in PyCharm editor, right? Then you can use NumPy library in your Python code. Now let's start with the tutorial. So I have some code handy to save time. This is the NumPy library which I have imported. This is the alias, and these are some NumPy array declaration, one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional, right? So first, what is iteration means? The iterating means going through elements one by one. Okay. Now let's see what is nditer function. This is very important function. It has so many arguments, right? It's a very helping function that can be used from very basic to very advanced, right? So it is same, right? As we are using ndenumerate function. So we'll be taking item, right? And nditer, okay? And then this is my two-dimensional array, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? All your element in the two-dimensional array is flattened, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can easily iterate one by one. You are iterating here in this loop. Okay, we have other arguments in this function. Okay, if you want to iterate your three-dimensional array, you can make it easily, right? In the program, so your three-dimensional array is printed, right? 1 to 12, right? The element is started from 1 to 12, right? This is in three dimensions. Okay, you can put any condition, you can apply any logic here. Okay, you can check anything in the loop. Okay, we have one parameter with this ndtr, that is the operation data types. Okay, we can pass on the operation data type also. Currently it is integer type. Okay, if you want to make it a string type element while iterating it, so it will convert directly from integer to the string, right? As represent string. Okay, we have changed the type of the element, right, in this method. Okay, so we'll get the string type of element in the output, right? If I run it, okay, so iterator operand requires scoping a buffering. Let me make it I, then let's see. Print. Yeah, it is printing. Okay, for s it will of course will take one more argument, that is buffered, right? Yeah, it's a flag. We'll take one more argument. If you say that would be buffered. Okay, so this is another type flag, right? We are flagging, so then you will be able to print your string type element, you see. Okay, so these all types are converted to the string, right, from integer. These are integer type of elements and got converted into the string type. You see b, a single quote is there, okay, with the element, right? Means it is a string type. Slicing can also be used. As you know, we call it basic indexing, right? So let me copy this function, and then I'm going to pass on slicing, right? If I say this row from 0 to last, and the column would be 3, right? You can try yourself, right? Any slicing technique you can put here. Okay, so you will see the output is 1 and 4, right? If you put 2, you will get 1 3 4 6. Okay, right? If you make 1 to 2, right, you will get 2 and 5, right? Now let's see iteration order. In nditer function we can pass on the order also. Okay, if you have another loop, and we will be using order, right? Instead of this, we can say order. We'll be putting order either C or F. It's a C style, F is for Tani style, and you will get your order would be for three dimensions. You will get, let me put a separator even, print, and then the program again, right? So you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12, right? 0 to 12. If you put F, so you will get different type of ordering, right? 1 7 4 10 2, like this. Okay, the order has been changed while iterating the array. Okay, it took 1 7 4, right? 1, then 7, and then 4. Okay, 174. Okay, so it changes the iteration. If you make it 2D with two-dimensional array, so you get 1 4 2. Okay, so orders gets changed every time, right? You make it, see, so it will goes by default, right? 0 to increasing order, it will take increasing order, right? Now let's see modifying array value, right, with the help of nditer, right? So there is one more arguments we can pass on, that is operation flags, right? And if you remove this one, copy flags, you can pass on, and then you can put read write, right? In order to modify it, so you have to say item, and then you have to use three dot, right? And then you can put anything, right? If you want to plus any value with your item, current item, so it will add, okay, that value in the program. So you will see, okay, so 10 is added into each item, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, right? It is two-dimensional array. 1 2 6 it goes, each element is being added with 10, right? If you want to multiply it, you can do it. Okay, it means it is modifying your actual element with the help of the itr function, right? While iterating, you can modify even your actual element. 10 to 16 output is. Okay, let's see what is external loop, right? How external loop parameter works with nditer. Okay, flags, right? This time we have to use flags, and we have to make external loop. So it will give you the external loop of the array. Let me remove it. This is two-dimensional array, and then let me run the program. So this is your first element of the loop. Okay, 10 to 60, right? Because it, okay, because it got converted now. This is modified first, and then we extract it. If we take 3D, three-dimensional here, and then run the program, so you will get, okay, 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12 side. It will give you the external loop. Okay, and then you can even do a for loop. Okay, you print I, so it will give you the flattened array, right? You see, it will give you the flattened array, right? Did you understand the external loop parameter, right? So if you see how many time it ran, so you will see print, let's say a, so then you will see how many time it ran the upper loop, right? It ran only once, right? Which means the external loop has been created, right, with this command, with this parameter, and that external loop converted to the one dimensional array, and then one dimensional array we have iterated like this. Okay, now let's see what is broadcasting iteration. So which means if we have two arrays, these are broadcastable. Okay, and a combined nditer object is able to iterate upon them concurrently, right? Concurrently. Okay, let's say I have two array 1 then array 2 will be using the broadcasting technique. Okay, so how? For, let me take x and y as a variable to point array 1 and array 2 object, right? And let's say np.nditer, and then we can pass on our array 1 and array 2. Okay, got it? And then you can combine print x and y, right? So it will iterate concurrently, right? Both object. So this is called a broadcasting technique, right? So 1 10 2 23 30 like this. Okay, this way you can apply your formatting. Okay, if you're in the program, so you will get like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you are getting this type of formatting. So this is broadcasting technique. Okay,
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.